guys, I found this nest with a little egg, just one egg inside, and it's so wet. It fell from the tree. I don't know if it still can be hatched or not. So little. Let us look inside. Oh, ang liit. Anong klaseng ibon kaya ito? Ayun siya, ganyan siya kaliit. Nag-iisa lang. Super liit. Basang-basa. Tingnan natin kung kaya itong limliman.